Good day, everyone. Today marks a significant occasion as we reflect on our time in kindergarten. We have gained so much knowledge, our letters, numbers, and importance of sharing, and how to be great friends. Big thank you to our teachers for their guidance and patience in teaching us, to our parents for their unwavering support and love, to our principal, Dr. Louis M. Valdez. We are deeply appreciate your dedication to early education and look forward to more years of growth and learning under your leadership. Thank you for being an invaluable part of this journey, and to our classmates for making each day enjoyable as we prepare to advance to the next level. We are excited to the new experience and learning ahead. Well done, everyone, and congratulations. Thank you.